Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rifa Fadilah Ramadhani from Islamic Guidance and Counseling Department, Da'wah and Communication Faculty, Islamic State University of Sunan Gunung Jati, Bandung. Allow me to tell about my life before and after the pandemic. I will start from my life before the pandemic. My life before the pandemic was I did a lot activities in Bandung because before the pandemic, lecturing activities were carried out face to face. Besides this, before the pandemic, I often meet with my brothers and once a month. And then, before the pandemic, Madrasah Diniyah Takmiliyah student teaching and learning were running as usual. Learning and recite carried out in madrasah. Next, I will tell my life after the pandemic. My life after the pandemic is I started face-to-face lectures, meet lectures, and my friends. Then, after the pandemic ended, I returned to teaching at Madrasah Diniyah Takmiliyah in Bandung. And then, after this pandemic, I can meet my brothers because after the pandemic, my brother often returned his hometown when he was off work. And then after this pandemic is over, I would like to visit Istiqlal Mosque, the mosque biggest and mosque in Southeast Asia. Besides this, the Istiqlal Mosque, I also want to visit the Great Mosque of Demak. Then, after this pandemic is over, I want to go to the Zoological Museum in Bogor. I want to the Zoological Museum in Bogor because I want to the ancient animal fossil and I want to know the history. Besides this, going to the Zoological Museum, I also go to the BMKG Observatory because I want go to there. I want to know the activities carried out at observatory. Then I want to the Sumatra Island. I want to go to Palembang to see the Musi River and the Ampera Bride directly. And then I will the Sukarno Exile House in Bengkulu. During the Dutch colony era, Sukarno was once exiled in Bengkulu. While in exile, Sukarno lived at the house at Anggut Atas, which is now Sukarno Hatta Street. Some equipment, bicycle, libraries, and the other that were owned by Sukarno were stored in this house. While living in Bengkulu, Sukarno designed the mosque, which is now the Jami Mosque. That's all I can say about my life before and after the pandemic. Thank you for your attention. Sorry for the mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.